So today's Andrew's birthday, and I decided... What did I get you?
It's a mysterious box. A mysterious blue box. It's basically a police box.
It's a Nook book. So we has to build the whole entire thing because he keeps buying them for me to go on my bookshelf. I thought it's only fair that he has one. Yeah. So how have you done so far? Because yours is way more complex than mine.
So, well, there's a whole electrical system. I'm just building some optical fibres here for the central control. And there's just wires everywhere and lights everywhere. But
we have to wait and we'll do the grand reveal at the end.
Well, really?
Yeah.
I can't switch my blue lights on.
Go, if that's what you want to do.
Well, this is how we've got... But it says you've got to test it. So I've got white lights, I've got blue lights, I've got...
Which actually has... Where there, if you... I don't know if you can see it very well. Can you put white? Have you got anything white you can put in the background of it? Just so you can see, because it actually has Gallifreyan writing on it. How clever is that? So yeah, so he's having a lot of fun, aren't you?
Fun's one word for it. It's very, very...
nitty gritty.
Tiddly.
Told you they were.
But yeah, no, I'm enjoying it. It's something different. It gets me off my computer for a day, doesn't it?
Right, well, we'll come back in another hour and see how far you've got on then.
Stuart and Andy. VanLife, the universe, and everything.
So how then you show us what you've done, and it's been more than an hour, let's be honest.
This has got to have been the fiddliest thing ever, because it's all little panels all glued in and then some paper bits to go around it. So each one of those panels has been glued. And then I've got the base here, so we've got wires and lights and things all over the place at the moment. It just looks a mess. But
you've enjoyed building it, haven't you?
I'm enjoying it so far. Do you know, I'm so relaxed. It's great, thank you. So yeah, next time
we might actually be able to see some
I don't know
difference.
how it all goes together, but yeah, I'm on page 8 of
532.
I'm on step 3. I've got the fiddly bit. I don't think that's the last fiddly bit. I've still got loads of these things to do yet, so it's good, enjoying it.
But it's satisfying, isn't it? It'll be satisfying when you've built it all and you'll be able to sit there and say, I built all of that.
It's going to look lovely on the middle of my shelf up there.
It will look really, really nice. So yeah, Andrew has an actual Doctor Who, so we all have our own shelf. So I'm trying not to zoom in on his head. So Andrew's Doctor Who shelf, my BB-8 and Joshua's Iron Maiden. So yeah, so that's where it's going.
It's a tiny fraction of the stuff I've got for Doctor Who, to be fair. So
it is. Right, well, we'll catch back up with you in another hour.
Later.
So we're on day 2 now, aren't we? Because you did quite a lot yesterday,
yeah, I got the main part built. Ooh, that's sticking up. And then we got some like accessories built up.
So you got a little clock.
And I was waiting for this to glue together because the cup and saucer and spoon were like falling to pieces. So
I know, but look how cute, it's got a little sonic screwdriver on it.
Yeah. So I've just put the skirting on that, and that's now ready. These are ready to go in. So
should you be wearing your brand new jumper while you're sticking this together?
Yeah, I thought it was quite appropriate. I like it.
I think it's lovely.
It was. There were 3 of them sat on the couch in one of the later episodes.
It was the one where they went to the cinema. It was, yeah.
So there were 3 of them, and they all got branded T-shirts and shirts on. You can't get them, so I thought, you know what? I'll make one myself. So here it is.
It looks, do you know something? It looks blue on camera, but it is actually green, isn't it? It's like a really dark...
emerald green.
It's cute. Yeah. So we are another day in. So before football starts, you're going to do a little bit more, and then...
Yeah, we'll see how far we can get today.
Yeah, so we'll catch back up with you in a bit then.
Yeah. So that's all the bits and pieces I've built up into the middle.
The stairs and the carpet runners. I love all the little bits and
guitar.
bobs that are there. And
Yeah.
where's your guitar? Oh, I'll get it in after.
Shall I test the lights again?
No, stop it. You can't stop yourself, can you? You're not meant to do that. You're meant to do like a grand reveal at the end and turn the lights on, and then it's meant to be like a wow, boom, boom, boom. Does it play the music and
Boom,
stuff?
boom, boom, boom.
That's the wrong music.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so that's where we are at step 14.
Out of how many
Page
steps?
18 out of 32 pages. Yeah, it's coming along nicely.
It is. I'm glad you're enjoying doing them. I honestly thought you would have given up, and I thought he's going to throw it at me and say, "You do it."
I really enjoy doing it, but it's not just any old book nook, is it? It's a Doctor Who one, so
Yeah, we'll have to see if we can find it and tag it in.
it's going to be lovely to.
But it is dead groovy. I'm loving the fact you've got like things like the sonic screwdriver, and then because it's his, and he's got like his guitar behind him, and it does, it's well groovy. And go great in between all your DVDs and Blu-rays. I go upstairs to read a chapter, and I come down, and you've got loads done.
Yeah, it's all coming together nicely now. I'm taking all this lights up at the back.
I just love how you're doing that, and he's also watching Doctor Who at the same time.
It's all on like transparency.
I mean, on like the paper, you mean?
Yeah.
So where does that go? Was that on like a new floor?
On top.
Ah.
Yeah, that goes on top. So I'm just trying to get this finished before the football starts.
Have you glued them together?
No, it doesn't say glue them together. I'm doing the things what it says. I've just got some more circles to go on.
Alright, okay then. Right, I'm leave you be. I was just coming to check to see how you were cracking on.
Getting on.
Does look really good though, so we're there. Let's go that way, I'm guessing. Ooh, see some Daleks.
I've got the top bit on, so
Which was fiddly.
I was trying to get it actually on. But yeah, pretty happy with that. So yeah, a nice break. That's gone on top, so I've got all the wires, all the lighting to mess with tomorrow. But yeah, I've had another couple of hours at it today.
Yeah, it's looking really good.
And it's an appropriate place to stop now for a break because football's going to start any minute.
Yeah,
so.
I can go back to reading my book while I hear you scream and cry.
Early morning, Monday morning, Stuart.
It is a very early morning, mate.
Another Doctor Who shirt on today.
It is.
Yeah, so come back when it's finished.
Yeah, I'm going to have a coffee and go and read some more of my book.
I could do with another coffee, to be fair. It's a bit early. It's finished, Stuart.
Go on then, show me inside.
Three sessions. So
you did change the sticker, I've noticed.
I did change the sticker.
Right, go on then, pop the light on first before you open it.
Really?
Yeah, because I want to see it from the
So
outside.
switch on here, look. Oh! That might want to glue it down a little bit. Where's our little mysterious blue box?
It's even got all the rain on the top. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy making
good,
it?
Isn't it? It's got a little Gallifrey signal on the top for switching it on and off. And at the back, it's a little compartment so you can change the batteries.
Yeah.
It's very good. I'm very impressed.
So now you're going to find a place on the shelf now, aren't
Yeah,
you?
I'm just making some space up there. So there's our mysterious blue box.
With his little t-shirt on.
Yeah. That's it, all done. Thank you.
Great birthday present.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you.